Let's meet Stephen, a hydrology student who's using STEM to inspire and educate others through advocacy and outreach. Whether he's maintaining weather stations, leading youth education at river honoring, or teaching with the stream table, Stephen turned science into service. And SKC is the only tribal college in the U.S. that offers a bachelor's degree in earth or geoscience. Stephen, you are up.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. Hello, everyone. When I was deciding to return to school, I wanted to attend a college that offered hands-on scientific learning opportunities while allowing me to balance my responsibilities outside the classroom. Salish Kootenai College was the first school that came to mind, and it has delivered. I chose to study geosciences, focusing on hydrology, the study of water. It's one of the few undergraduate programs of its kind in the nation, as it's the only geo or earth science program at any tribal college or university. During my time in the hydrology program, I've worked as a lab technician, measuring data on the stream table, the flume, and even in local streams. This hands-on learning is what sets SKC apart. I love the ability to take what I'm learning and apply it to restoration and watershed-level projects. SKC is one of 2 colleges in the Balloon Outreach, Research, Exploration, and Landscape Imaging System program, also known as Borealis. I had the honor of leading our team in the nationwide eclipse ballooning project, letting me apply my knowledge in real-world situations. For my next project, I'm excited to do field work in Glacier National Park. I experience hands-on learning opportunities inside the classroom as well, and SKC's flexible class schedules allow me to mix in-person and online learning so I can balance my home and work obligations. The smaller class sizes make a huge difference in my experience, as I can connect one-on-one with my professors who support me in my strengths and show me areas for growth. Overall, SKC's supportive faculty, flexible classes, and focus on real-world learning have boosted my confidence and made my education rewarding. I've grown not only as a student, but as a future professional in my area. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Stephen, your story is a true testament to how SKC students give back to their communities. From leading national science teams to hands-on fieldwork, SKC empowers students with flexible learning, supportive faculty, and real-world opportunities. With all your experience, there's no doubt your future is very, very bright. Thanks again, Stephen.